Alrighty guys, we are back here on our April 14th Counting Money, our Money Mondays lesson. This is part 2, part dos. So this has the answers, spoiler alert, this has the answers to those money worksheets in here. So go ahead and if you haven't finished these worksheets, I'm trusting you to go ahead, complete them first, try your best, and then watch this video, watch the part 1, then watch this part 2 video to check your answers and also get some feedback. So here we go. First worksheet here was just counting these bills. So we did this first one together. Let me change my holding pen. There we go. All right, so our first answer we have here, this was really hard, but we did this together, so it shouldn't have been too hard. We had $107, so I just wrote $107, already has the money sign there for me. So just put my decimal and then of course put my zeros here for my cents. So did not have any change. Our next one, here I'll kind of show you how I counted it. So 2, 4, 5, 6, 65, 66. Okay, this one we had 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 85, 90, 91, 92. Okay, so see how I was counting by 2s, then 10, then 5, and then 1. All right, this next one, we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 51, $52. All right, number 5, we had 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, and $57. Number 6, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61. And then last one here, 20, then go to 10s, 30, then go to 5s, 35, then go to 1s, 36. $36 down here. Okay. So those are our answers for our worksheet 1. Let's go to our worksheet 2 here with our bills and coins. So I didn't do it on all of mine, but remember how I told you a great strategy for this would have been to write those coin amounts right above the coin to help you type that into your calculator. Oh, sorry, I don't know why my video is pausing here. That's not you, that's me. I'll give it a second, sorry. Randomly click on my screen or something. Hello? Okay, I'm just going to keep going here. I'm sure it's going to unfreeze here in a second. Oh, see, right when you have faith. There it goes. Okay, so our total here was $36.56. So remember we had that strategy of putting that decimal amounts of those coins above each one. Remember quarters, these are dimes, nickels, then we have our penny right here with Lincoln on it, 1 cent. Okay, so hopefully you did that down the sheet. And that was helpful for you to type that into the calculator. So for number 2, I got $36.72. And another thing, I wish I would have done it in my part 1, but another strategy on top of doing the coins, if you're a person that can count coins, then maybe you just counted your bills first. That's what I did. So I was like 20, 30, 35, 36, and wrote that amount down. And then I went to my coins, 25, 50, 60, because that's by 10s, then count by 5s, 65, another 5, 70, 71, 72. So you can still use that count on strategy. You're really good at that to know, and then you just put your cent there. All right, this worksheet was so funny. I was not trying to trick you guys. I'm so sorry. I didn't pick these exactly. And I don't know why the worksheet generated like this, but yes, if you got $36 a lot, you were correct. So number 3 here, our answer is 36.51. I don't know why, I'm so sorry guys, I'm using a different recorder. I don't know what's hard for me to hold this straight here. All right, and then for number 4, I got $36.77. So we had 25.50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77. And then last but not least, we had the answer is 46.53. Okay. All right, and then last one was to show our money amounts using those fake bills. So if you did that with an adult or older sibling, someone in the family that helped you, that's great. You were just able to show them the money on here. Now, I specifically, probably when you were doing this activity, you got kind of frustrated because you wanted more ones or something like that, or more fives. Well, I specifically gave you that 120, the 110, the 15, and the 5 ones for a reason. So let me show you that. So if you didn't do it with a parent and get initials on here, then I wanted you to draw it out and show it with your money too, but just kind of draw me what you used to show this amount. So for number 1, so for $4, we had I drew just 4 $1 bills. Boom. Number 2, you should have done a $5 bill and a 1. So count on strategy, put 5 in your head, count on 1, 5, 6, $6. Number 3 here is $8. So maybe you just, again, wanted to use all ones, but you couldn't because you only had 5 ones. So you had to use that 5, and then you count on, put 5 in your head and use the count on strategy. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Number 4, they're getting bigger as we go. I meant to do it that way specifically. So number 4, we got to use that 10 finally. Just want to make sure you guys can see it. So 10. You know, some of you want to use 2 5s or something, we couldn't. So 10, put 10 in your head and count on from 10. 10, 11, and 12. So 2 ones there. Then number 5, there's actually 2 answers for number 5. I would have counted either to be correct. So it was number 5, show $15. So you should have had a 10. You had to use a 10. And then you could have either gone with that $5 bill, so 10, 15, or you could have showed that $10 bill and then shown 5 ones. That's fine. That's correct money. People would take that if you needed to show $15. So it's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There. All right, moving on to number 6 here. All right, so here we go. We have $17, still getting bigger here. So we're using that 10 still, because look at our place values. We have a 1 in the tens place, so we're using that. So a 10, and then we had to use that 5. So much easier if Miss Carr just gave us 10 ones, huh? But 10, 15, then keep counting on, 15, 16, 17, with 2 ones there. All right, number 7, we finally got to pull out that 20. The number is asking for $21. So you would just shown that $20 and that $1 there. Okay. Here's asking for 25, and there's 2 different ways to do that, just like the 15. So you could have done the $20 bill and a 5, which would have been 25. Or you could have done the $20 bill and 5 ones. So 20, count on 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, getting up here to number 9. All right, so 28, getting a little tougher. So 20, still using that 20 because I have a 2 in the tens place value. So 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. So 3 ones and a 5 there on top of that 20. And then lastly, show me $30, which is that 20 and the 10 together. Okay? So just wanted to kind of give you different options. Parents, if you worked with our intern with that and they show different amounts that I didn't go over that were correct, then obviously those are good to go as well. If you have any questions, please reach out. My office hours are still the exact same in April as they were in March. I'm available by phone or email from every weekday, Monday through Friday, from 9 to 10. So please give me a shout if you need any help with this Money Monday activities, and I'll see you next time for a Talk Tuesday, and we're going to be doing our Google Hangout. So again, make sure you watch that video on how to join a Google Hangout, and I can't wait to see your beautiful faces tomorrow. All right, guys, have a great afternoon, night, whatever. Bye.